When it comes to boosting your home's value in Tuscaloosa's thriving real estate market, one often overlooked yet highly effective upgrade is replacing your windows. Homebuyers today look for more than just curb appeal. They seek efficiency, comfort, and long-term value. Installing new windows can deliver all three, making it a smart investment for homeowners who want to stand out in Alabama's competitive housing scene. Curb appeal that attracts buyers instantly. First impressions matter, especially when potential buyers drive up to your home. Outdated or worn windows can make even a well-maintained house look tired. Modern window designs, on the other hand, enhance a home's exterior with clean lines, vibrant frames, and stylish finishes that complement Tuscaloosa's mix of traditional Southern and modern architecture. Whether your home is near the University of Alabama campus or in a quiet suburban neighborhood, new windows instantly elevate its visual charm. They signal to buyers that your home has been cared for and updated, which can lead to higher offers and faster sales. Improved energy efficiency and lower utility bills. Tuscaloosa's climate features hot, humid summers and mild winters, conditions that can strain older windows. Drafts, poor insulation, and single-pane glass allow conditioned air to escape, driving up energy costs. Replacing outdated windows with energy-efficient models helps reduce that waste. Modern double or triple pane windows feature advanced insulation technologies such as low emissivity, low E coatings and gas fills between panes. These materials keep indoor temperatures stable, meaning your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard. As a result, homeowners can save significantly on monthly utility bills, a major selling point for energy-conscious buyers. Many homebuyers today actively seek homes with Energy Star-rated windows. Not only do these upgrades reflect a commitment to sustainability, but they also assure buyers that they're purchasing a property designed for long-term savings and comfort. Enhanced comfort and noise reduction. Beyond aesthetics and energy efficiency, new windows contribute to a quieter, more comfortable living environment. Tuscaloosa residents living near busy streets or vibrant neighborhoods often deal with unwanted outdoor noise. Modern window technologies help minimize sound transfer, providing a calm and peaceful interior. In addition, energy-efficient windows reduce drafts and eliminate hot or cold spots around your home. That means consistent indoor temperatures year-round, something that potential buyers immediately notice during showings. Comfort, though intangible, is one of the most persuasive selling factors in real estate. Better security and peace of mind. Today's window designs prioritize safety as much as style. Modern frames and locking systems are built to resist forced entry, providing added protection for your family and property. Laminated or tempered glass also increases durability, making it more difficult for intruders or storm debris to cause damage. In Tuscaloosa, where occasional severe weather can occur, these features offer extra reassurance. Buyers are often willing to pay more for homes equipped with secure, storm-resistant windows that help protect their investment. Higher appraisal and resale value. Installing new windows is one of the few home improvements that delivers both immediate and long-term returns. On average, homeowners can recoup a significant portion of the installation cost through increased property value and reduced energy expenses. In Tuscaloosa's growing housing market, where buyers prioritize move-in-ready homes, updated windows can make your listing more competitive. Real estate agents frequently highlight energy-efficient features in property descriptions, knowing they attract attention and justify higher asking prices. When appraisers assess your home, new windows can also positively influence the overall valuation, especially if they improve the property's energy performance and visual appeal. Tax incentives and local market appeal. Homeowners in Alabama may qualify for energy efficiency incentives when installing approved window models. These programs encourage eco-friendly home improvements while providing additional financial benefits. For Tuscaloosa residents, that means saving money now while preparing your home for a more profitable sale later. Moreover, Tuscaloosa's real estate market has a diverse mix of buyers, from young professionals and growing families to retirees seeking comfort and efficiency. Homes that combine modern style with sustainable living features appeal to a wide range of potential buyers, giving you a stronger edge when listing your property. Final thoughts in Tuscaloosa's evolving real estate market. Investing in new windows isn't just a cosmetic upgrade, it's a smart financial decision. By enhancing curb appeal, improving energy efficiency, and offering comfort and security, new windows can significantly increase your home's value and marketability. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to improve your property's long-term worth, new windows are an upgrade that pays off in both lifestyle and investment returns. In a city where Southern charm meets modern growth, making your home stand out starts with a clear view and the right windows.